Once your students accept your invite and their status is active in your profile, you can start sharing audio recordings with them. This is a great way for them to hear how you play certain passages, or to check their own progress by listening back to their recordings. To share a recording, first open the score and start recording. Tip: record in a quiet room. If you're using a backing track, wear headphones so only your instrument is picked up by the microphone. After recording, give it a name. Use the mixer and preview playback to adjust the balance between the backing track and your instrument. If they are not perfectly in sync, use the latency control to fix it. Note: once you name and save your recording, the balance and sync adjustments can't be changed. Make sure you're happy before saving. Then, in the audio section, select Share and choose one or more students you want to share it with. Students who share the same score with you can access the shared recording directly from the audio section of the score. And remember, students can also share back their recordings with you by following the same steps in their app.